Introduce highlight features or overview summary for Chemical Guys Supreme Detailing Essentials Kit, CMG-HOL383. You can find wanted, shop from a wide selection of devices in different configurations for your needs, filter by specification type, brand and more. Highlight features or overview summary are include. The Supreme Detailing Essentials Kit, HOL383, is the kit that contains the 8 items you need to clean, shine, and protect your car, truck, or SUV. And comes with the speed load carrying caddy for easy storage and transportation on the go. Easily remove dirt and road grime from wheels, tires, paint, glass, and trim for a flawless finish, then clean and protect your interior surfaces from dashboards to seats, carpets, door panels, and more. The Supreme Detailing Essentials Kit makes restoring the look of your car fast, easy, and tons of fun. When you're done, pack it all away in the speed load carrying caddy for next time. If you want to get full highlight features and / or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. Make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends, and important. Don't forget to press subscribe, press the bell to get instant notifications of all future uploads.